Yeah, everyone. Me and Tracey at Assembly will come and see Bob Marley. Look at the spot on my nose, Trace. Look.
Get me in as well in the picture.
Here you are. Look. Hey! Ooh. Evening. Hey, come to see music of Bob Marley, legend.
Yeah.
Hey, we're a legend.
And I've got myself an husband.
Yeah, too, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That too.
He's only about 17, but who cares?
We're a legend, me and Trace, aren't we? Hey. You know, 75, we're doing all right, Gil. Cool, this is shit with the old picking up things.
No,
honestly, I dared to go down, running down below.
Sorry, Trace. I've just farted on my cousin. What is that egg?
Pure
Can
egg.
you breathe?
Yeah, just about.
Egg. Oh.